So an absolutely wild start to the day. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and I have a lot to say in a very short period of time. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. I'm going to be sharing a lot of opinions, but also I want to support it with some of this data. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I'm sure a lot of you guys heard the news. Over the weekend, Trump sent out a message, I think it was on his social media platform, where he stated that he is establishing a crypto reserve, which was already expected and already talked about, but he was adding these new coins into this crypto reserve. He says that on his social media post on Sunday, Trump has signed an executive order directed by the president working group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. And then he sends out another message later saying, and of course, we're going to include Bitcoin and Ethereum as we love those coins and I love crypto, is what Trump said. Now, you guys know who I voted for. If you've watched any of my content, you know that I didn't vote for the lady. My thing is, I am not afraid to disagree with someone that I voted for if they do something that I don't agree with. It's another individual, it's another person. I don't have to agree with every policy that they choose to try to back or follow. It is mind-boggling that when I talk about things like that, I think this is the dumbest thing the president can be focused on right now. Out of everything it is that we got going on with the trade war, with tensions overseas, this is, in my opinion, the dumbest thing that he could be worried about. Yet he sends out a message and then he follows it up with, of course, I'm going to be including ETH or Ethereum and Bitcoin. Like someone else said, hey, you didn't include these. You have to send out the message so those pump up too. It literally looks like a pump and dump. And this is done by the president of the United States. Just like when he came out with that Trump meme coin that skyrocketed after he had posted this announcement, it skyrocketed again, costing more investors more money when it comes dumping down, because that's always what it does. Let's make this very clear. Don't get me wrong. If you're invested in crypto long term and you bought in at a very good price, all power to you. You're an adult. You can do whatever it is that you want. We all know one thing. Crypto never thrives during bear market conditions. Never. Look at every time that it crashes. If there's trade war concerns or fears that are dropping the stock market, you best believe that the crypto market will be crashing much harder. No one gives a rat's behind about crypto when they can't pay for rent, when they can't provide or put food on the table. No one cares because it is a luxury market where all those NFTs and all of these meme coins were thriving when all those stimmy checks were being passed out because everyone had supposedly a ton of money and it was super cheap to borrow money. But guess what? Inflation is going back up based off of the most recent CPI data report. So why is it that we have the president of the United States putting out messages that for a short period of time will pump this crypto? And don't get me wrong, Bitcoin being one of them, and I want to share my entire opinion maybe on a later video, but him wanting to support Bitcoin, sure, to some degree, right? But for him to create a tweet, a message to send out to all of his followers about these bullshit coins that no one cares about with no utility. No one can use this for anything. I can't go buy groceries with XRP or Solana or ADA. This was simply a form of manipulation. And again, I don't care that, I didn't vote for the other party, right? You guys know who I voted for, right? I didn't vote for the lady. I don't need to agree with everything that this guy does just because I voted for him. And this is the part where we really need to open our eyes of remember, he has a meme coin. And they not only make money based off of the performance of that meme coin, but they also make money based off of the number of transactions and all the fees. That can be a whole nother video. This, in my opinion, is market manipulation, and it's a conflict of interest. It makes no sense to me on why the president of the United States is pumping meme coins and crypto during such a crucial time where he's really trying to gain the confidence of the American people. XRP, Solana, ADA. Again, if you want to establish Bitcoin, that's already a stretch as a Bitcoin reserve. Why not start with that if that's the new gold standard? stick to one, focus on that, and maybe later on build off of it. When you have 4 or 5 different shit coins within your crypto reserve, it's not going to work. It has never worked like that. It's the same BS over and over again. And again, this is my opinion. I'm baffled because now guess what's happening? Well, now Bitcoin is pulling on back. And not just that, but so did MSTR. If you're part of my LPP team, you know exactly right at market open, you saw my post. I focused on one stock that I wanted to short. That's MSTR. MSTR went from highs of nearly $300 per share all the way to lows of 257. It lost 12.75% within the first hour of the market being open. Again, a bunch of people being pumped thinking that this stock was going to skyrocket because of the good news. It's a short-lived positive catalyst and the markets just correct themselves. Again, it traps a lot of bulls. But my team, we're a little bit different. We actually think before we do things and we don't bag hold stocks. So therefore, when this overbought reversal presented itself, it was a very easy short setup. Now that it became oversold, now there's recovery potential. Now I can consider buying the dip and going long on MSTR for the day, right? As a day trade. Super simple setup because we understand our plan, we understand our intention, and we wait for that confirmation to be met. But that's not how the rest of America trades. They hear the president in a very powerful position say something, and everyone wants to follow. And again, you guys let me know if you think that I'm completely wrong. If we want to establish a Bitcoin reserve or a crypto reserve, let's start with one and then maybe build off of it once the credibility and the support of the American people are there. But to start with 4 or 5 and make your entire reserve now look like an absolute meme coin, in my opinion, it discredits it. It doesn't allow everyone to focus on one specific crypto. Therefore, you're pretty much diluting the focus or credibility behind many different cryptos that, again, XRP, ADA, Solana, they do absolutely nothing. Solana is actually the coin that you need to purchase so you can purchase Trump coin. Again, in my opinion, a conflict of interest. A bunch of people lost a ton of money all because of that tweet. And again, the only people that made money were those that took profits or my team that shorted MSTR and saw that 12% sell-off. We like to keep trading simple. And again, if you want to continue to do this, we cover our positions every day. We love these pumps because we know eventually they end up correcting themselves. But markets like this never thrive during uncertain markets or when fear is being injected. And don't get that twisted. There is so much fear in the market right now, and I think they speak for themselves. I'm very excited to follow up. I hope that earns your thumbs up. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.